Good morning, this is Mike Garner. Got several requests for this song, so I hope I'll be able to do it justice today. It's entitled Pouring Rain. I would like to thank my good friend Thomas Farlow for doing this project this afternoon, and hopefully it'll be on the church's web page, Facebook page, and hopefully he'll put it on some other sites as we go forward. So, Pouring Rain. The place that I'm standing is thirsty ground. The well is empty and the grass is brown. The fields are dried up, no more to gain. What I wouldn't give for some pouring rain. Pouring rain is always free, but the water of heaven inside of me. And when I'm soaked to the root, I'll never be the same. What I wouldn't give for some pouring rain. I walked so far in a barren land, pulling away from your loving hand. And I'm in so much trouble, Lord, in so much pain. What I wouldn't give for some pouring rain. Pouring rain is always free, but the water of heaven inside of me. And when I'm soaked to the root, I'll never be the same. What I wouldn't give for some pouring rain. The world is withered, ready to die, and souls are crumbling, brittle and dry. Oh, but there's a refreshment glory retains. So let the people pray for some pouring rain. Pouring rain is always free, but the water of heaven inside of me. And when I'm soaked to the root, I'll never be the same. No. What I wouldn't give for some pouring rain. What I wouldn't give for some pouring rain.